Hello YouTube, Matt from One Ball Racing here. Hope you've all had a banging Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all. Lockdown's upon us, time to get some bike jobs done. Today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on the R6. Well?
Yeah. Hello, my name is William. I have been riding a motocross bike since I was 7, and it is a Honda 100 CRF, and I am 9 years old.
Should we show them how to do it?
Yeah.
The oil change, that is, not the yeah, on it. First job then, what we want to do is we want to run the engine for a little while, get it up to operating temperatures. This gets the oil nice and viscous. It gets the oil moving from the bottom of the engine all the way around. So Will, start her up, boy.
Right. The bike's in neutral here.
Is it awkward?
These are the tools which we need for the job.
Slightly creepy. Anyway, so we've got the snips to get rid of the old lock wire which is holding everything in place. These bits here are going to be used to get rid of the fairing. We're going to use the drill as well because I'm a bit lazy. And then what we've got is just the oil, new filter down here, crush washer, a little bit of grease. Got the manual for a bit of reference, and then it's always handy to have some gloves about, some kitchen roll,
Yeah.
and something to drain the oil into. Let's get on with it, boy! Yeah. So we're in the shed now, the heater's on, keeping nice and toasty and warm. All that's to come off now is the belly pan. That's the last bit of bodywork that we need to take off. Over to you, Wilhelm. So unscrew that one. Good lad. Oh, look at that, that was loose.
Yeah.
Next one, get the crash protection off. That's it, so a couple of turns. That should just come off. I've loosened that off nicely for you, mate. Keep going. Couple more. Couple more, big turns. Let me give you a hand, mate. Oh yeah, that's it, go on. Go on, go on.
None.
Go on. Not quite there yet, couple more threads. That's loose though, look, you can see it. My word, the suspense is something else. Way! Last thing, remember, quarter turns. Get in there, boy, give it a turn. Left, lefty loosey. Good, 1, 2.
I am sitting on something.
Yeah. So we're now down on the left hand side of the bike. What we can see here is this minging oil filter, and this is the drain plug here. So as I've described to you in the previous video, there's some lock wire in here holding that on, and that's really what it looks like. All we've got to do is cut that away, get the oil drained. That'll be the next step. So what we've got here in the centre of the shot then is the sump bolt or drain plug. Bear with me, I'm going to make some rum noises now, so let's just get this loosened off. Get the oil drained from the bike. Suspense is killing you, I know. Here we go. Wait for it. Lovely. Not too much spilt there. So we're just over on the other side of the bike. All I've done here is just undone the filler cap, and that just allows that oil to flow through the engine out of the sump plug a little bit easier. So we're going to remove the oil filter. This nut here makes the job a lot easier. I've done this job on bikes before where the nut's not been present, and I've had a real issue getting the oil filter off the bike. So quite grateful for this little nut here. If you can get them on your bike, get them on your bike. And it also has little holes drilled through the nut head just to allow that lock wire in to be put through as well, because this is another thing that the ACU want lock wired. Where are we? Right, so I just want to show you another exciting topic, the sump bolt. So you see there, I had to drill a little hole through the corner, and that just allows me to lock wire that sump bolt. So next job is going to be, we're going to change out washer. I've got a little Wilhelm out here. He's going to help out with that. And then earlier on I mentioned about the nut on the top of the filter. Again, you'll just note that there's a little hole through there to allow the lock wiring to take place. Wilhelm, could you kindly put some grease on that seal for me? Thank you. Yeah, just a little dab on your finger, mate. Well done. Cool. It's a generous dab. Lovely, 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 lovely. So that just prevents it sticking. All right. And then all I want you to do is change that washer over for me. So we've got a new washer here that we pre-ordered online. Just a simple copper washer. That just slips on there, and that acts as a seal between the sump nut and the sump to prevent any leakage. Well done, mate. Good job. The oil filter's in place now. Drain plug's in place. Everything's done up. Just got to get rid of this old oil, and then we'll get these two bad boys torqued up to the correct specifications. See you in a bit. Yeah, I read books. So down here we've got torque wrench settings, just a list of different settings for the torque wrench, just telling me how tight I've got to tighten these things up. So what we got: oil drain plug, 43 Newton meters, oil filter, 17. Boom, let's get it done. All we've got to do now is just top it up. So engine oil capacity, what are we saying? Oil and filter change 2.6 litres. I think we've got enough of that. So there you have it, job done, oil changed, filter changed, everything's topped back up, there's no leaks on the floor, which is always a bonus. So I've got a couple more jobs that I want to be doing over the next couple of weeks. I'm not going to be doing those today, I'll work later unfortunately. So if there's anything in particular that you want to see on the bike doing, or anything else, you know, what I have to take to a track day, or fitness advice, anything like that, then let me know down below in the comments. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support so far. It's been really good to see you guys, response from the videos. If you like what you see, if you want to see more, press subscribe, give us a thumbs up, give us a comment, tell me what you want to see. Thanks for watching.